That was slick.
I know, right?
That was nice.
It's kind of like when people have suspenders and they're like,
I can truly say that I have never ever done that.
you've never worn suspenders or you've never done that?
I've never done that.
It's like Charlie Chaplin or something.
Okay.
Or the Three Stooges, you know, something like black and white.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Like with your whole look.
Oh no, it has nothing to do with this.
Oh.
Suspenders.
I'm gonna get you a pair.
Yes.
Alright, so we're really excited to talk about the third piece in our series of capsule wardrobe pieces. A capsule wardrobe is basically the basics. It's the pieces that you need to have in your wardrobes to kind of build on top of to create outfits. So
Today we are talking about. Can you guess? No blazers. Already talked about those. Okay, little.
I'm gonna do a river dance.
Little do. Like that.
We're talking about black leggings.
Woo! Black leggings.
There are so many things about black leggings, and you know, you see these articles come across your news feed or everywhere about this is a season for leggings. This is not a season for leggings. Get rid of your leggings. Get new leggings.
No.
The thing is, it's a basic. It's a basic building block that from my point of view, it's a really good basic to have in your wardrobe. This does not mean that they have to always be just traditional leggings. Maybe you have, like the pair that I love, I got this pair at Costco, like
they have really good ones.
5 or 6 years ago,
Still make good ones.
from Maddie M. And it's a really thick fabric. I think they were like $16
for like two, right?
No, this was just one. But they're really.
They've been selling a 2-pack.
They're really thick. They've got a nice, I would say it's like 1.5 inches, maybe a 2-inch waistband. They have just the right amount of, so they like suck you in. And they're not shiny, they're matte. But they're thick enough that I don't feel like I'm wearing my pajamas out and about.
Do you have thin pajamas? Maybe that's why I get sweaty at night. My pajamas are too thick. Okay, anyway, side note. Note to self. Okay, so yours aren't very thick. That's good.
No, they are.
Oh, yours are thick.
I don't think she heard a word I just said. I didn't. So that's what I like about them. They're thick. They're almost like a ponte. I know that you can get ponte leggings. I think also just having a fitted black pant would also fit this genre. Yeah. The idea of finding a black basic is to find one that works best for your body, something you're comfortable in, and something that is somewhat flattering on you. Yeah. What style do you have on?
So right now I'm actually wearing a workout tight because I really like the workout tight, and it's just like a simple seam. It doesn't have like that overlock seam that some workout pants have, so you can't even tell it's a workout pant. But it has a really wide waistband.
I know, I really like the wide waistband.
Yeah, I'm a fan. It's really nice.
I like that one because that's probably 3 inches.
Yeah, and I got this on Amazon, and they're awesome.
Well,
so there you go.
I love it when you can find something like that you love and it works well.
It works well.
The thing about leggings is they are so versatile. It becomes a great building block. So I love the way you use the blazer. We talked about blazers in one of our previous videos about how a blazer is an important staple piece for your capsule wardrobe. Talk to me about tucking or wearing. Would you wear your leggings with a cropped t-shirt to the store?
Probably not, because my name isn't Kendall Jenner.
I think in the this made up life rule of thumb, if you are going to wear leggings, wear something over them that
they're kind of like a layering piece. It's
a layering piece,
world. And
I think just to avoid being featured in People of Walmart, wear a shirt that covers
your hoo-ha a little bit.
Okay. That's yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I should button this up.
Doesn't have to be super long, and depending on how tall you are, depends on, you know, the length. I love this white shirt. This outfit right here. It's really kind of a go-to for me because it's quick. I can throw it on. This was Zara, but it's a couple of years old, and it's one of my favorite tunic style shirts. But the thing I like about it is this is such a classic look.
Yeah.
So, what are some other ways? We have a few other pieces here just to kind of give you an idea of ways to wear black leggings. I love them under, especially wintertime, under a dress. Like this. This is another go-to.
That's really cute.
I'm always looking for tops that have, if I'm going to be wearing leggings because I don't have pockets in my leggings, I'm always looking for pockets. So that is my disappointment with this dress. It doesn't have pockets.
Another thing, I think leggings, people totally think that you just keep them casual. And you can! Don't think that you have to like put leggings on and then you have to put on a blazer. Because you don't.
No,
you can just be casual with it. Like, stitch these. Because yuck. You can just put on a big chunky sweater. And this is still good. Like this still works.
That's really
Isn't that
cute.
nice?
But I really like how quickly that was a pretty dramatic change. And literally she just changed the outerwear and then her shoes. She put on something comfortable.
A little flat or something. Socks. I'm gonna walk around my house. I'm gonna wear socks.
Yeah, really, really cute.
So yeah, easy. Leggings are so easy to.
But again, it's this great proportion.
Yep. We always come back to proportion.
It always comes back to proportion. And we're going to do a video in the future talking just about proportion with some graphics. Another fun thing you can do is change up the texture. So I love kind of this pleather trend that is happening right now. And this was just a cute, fun little dress from Target.
Yeah, who, what, where?
Who, what, where. Looks great with leggings. I like being able to wear it open, so it's almost like a jacket. But it's just a fun way to kind of dress it up. I'm still really comfortable and still wearing my leggings.
Yeah. I think another thing to think about when you're going to purchase leggings is like Paula said, you can get a tight black pant. That would work. But also play with texture. You could get a faux leather legging. You could get the kind that have like black leopard spots on them, so they're still black, but they have just like
there's
an
some interest
texture.
there. Yeah, and that just kind of gives you some contrast. Yeah. So, black leggings, piece number 3 in your capsule wardrobe. Let us know what your favorite black leggings are.
Oh yeah, where you get yours.
Where do you get yours? And let us know how you like the video. Sweet. Thanks for watching. Bye.